Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create a nice portal like this. You can use it for our levels. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go to game, is select third person, then rename the project portal material like this, hit create. Once it's created, okay, first thing first, go here to material and let's create new material. This material is portal material empty. Okay, there is a problem. Uh, portal mat like this. Once it's open, select the portal material like this. Go to the blank mode. Set to translucent. Shading model. Let's change this one. Unit is good. We have emissive color, opacity, world position, offset. Select two sides and make it like this. Now to make this portal, we have to import some textures and nodes. Let's begin with textures. Texture sample. First one, duplicate this texture. Once it's selected, go down here to the texture and choose a noise texture. Choose one of these noise. Let's say T01, this one. For the second one, let's choose another texture, noise texture. Okay, erosion, not good. Let's choose another. Noise. Tiling noise 5. I think it's good. Okay, after that we have to import vector radial value. Vector to radial value. To radial value. From the radial coordinates, let's multiply it by a vector to constant. Constant to vector. Okay, drag this one to the UV. After that, we have to blend those textures to a node. Call it blend screen. Blend screen from the red channel. Okay, red channel to other texture. After that, Control C and Control V. Copy all of those like this. For this, for constant X and Y, we have to add some values. For the X, I choose 3. Y value is 1. For the next one, texture, let's choose X value is 2. Y value is 1. Okay, for now, I think it's good. Let's add another node, radial gradient exponential. Radial gradient for the gradient color. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. From this, let's add step node. For the y-axis, this one. For the y, and for this one, gradient exponential is for the x-axis. Okay, after that, let's add a constant and add default value 0.5. Let's add this one added to this radius first of all. Second, from the add node, let's duplicate this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, duplicate this one, radius radial grounded exponential. From this step node, let's add another step node. First of all, let's subtract this from another step node. From this step node, let's add this one to the x-axis. From the result of the blend, let's add it right here. The process is very complex. Let's see. We can see the result at the final step. Now, from this one, let's create vector 3 constant. For double click here and let's choose color for this vector. I think blue is good, and this color we have to multiply it from the B here, subscribe, and let's go here and drag it to the emissive color. From this step, let's add the opacity. Hit apply. Okay, and let's see what's happened. Now, let's create plane. Go here to shapes, plane, rotate it to this axis, minus 90 degrees in this direction, 90 degrees in this direction, and make it like this. Okay, let's see it works or not. What's the problem? It's not working. And let's see why it's not working. Okay, I don't hear the portal. Vector radial. Okay, good. I think we have forget to add another node, panel node. Drag this here. Control C, Control V. This one and this place. For the speed, let's set 0.1 and this one minus 0.5. Second one minus 0.1. Zero 0.5. Okay, let's see. Change the color. Okay, let's apply it and let's see. Hit apply. Save on. Return to the level. Look. It's like a nice black border. Let's make it bigger. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial. Subscribe, like, and comment.